Hey guys, how's it going? Nate here. I have a quick tutorial for you on how to change the thumbnail on your YouTube short that you've already uploaded. So here goes. You're going to go to your mobile platform, open the YouTube app. It's the one on the left. Do not open YouTube Studio app. It's a different program. The main YouTube app, then you're going to go down on the bottom right to your icon there for your account, and then you're going to scroll down a little bit and then click on your videos. These are videos you've uploaded to YouTube. And so I've got a short right here that I want to change right on top, and what I'm going to do, instead of clicking on the video, I'm going to click on these three dots on the upper right or the right side of the video, and that brings me to this menu. I'm going to click edit, and it brings me into this screen. So once I'm there, I can click on the little pencil icon that's on the thumbnail itself, and that'll bring me into the thumbnail changing screen. So there you can add text, filters, and then use this slider for actually changing your thumbnail. Once you've decided what you want, you've gotten it good, put your thumbnail where you want in the video, you click the little check mark in the top right, and then you're going to click save, and that'll save your video and you're good to go. Now I haven't figured out a way to use a regular photo, so if you make a photo in Photoshop or something and want to use that, I don't think that you can change that on YouTube Shorts right now. But that's a quick way to change a YouTube short thumbnail after you've already uploaded. If this helped at all, I'd really appreciate a like and a share. Helps the channel out a ton, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.